you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Today's video, taking you to Belfast. Taking you over to see where the Titanic was built. So come on ahead and we'll get this wee video. It's Belfast City Hall over there. What do you reckon? Happy days. A photographer there. Happy days. So what do you reckon? Who is he? Is he a street photographer? That's the old law courts. That's the law courts in Belfast. I hope you never have to go in there. And if you do have to go in there, be Q Russell, Irish News. Okay. That's Q Russell, Irish News photographer. A great boxer in his day. So you go. Wee possible photograph there with the reflection. Let me have a look and see. Okay guys, so we've got HMS Caroline here. Now this is part of a repair and restoration project, and HMS Caroline was constructed in Birkenhead in 1914. She's a light cruiser, one of the only 3 remaining major warships to serve with the Royal Navy during World War I, and is a sole survivor of the Battle of Jutland, the greatest naval battle in history. Now I'm not saying that, that's actually the blurb on the sign here, but I'm going to take some photographs anyway. I just think it's an amazing ship. I think it's going to look really well in black and white, and let's see what we get. I've had to redo this audio here, the wind noise was just so bad, but basically I was saying I was drawn towards the portholes, and I liked the crisscross of the metal and also the studs, the symmetrics of it, and I was thinking it was going to be a good shot, and then I just started looking for details of the ship as well. Okay guys, so this is the SS Nomadic, and this ship here would be a ship or a boat? I don't know. Boat, I suppose. Maybe a small ship. I don't know. Village, town. So this was used during the to bring passengers and mail onto the Titanic. And if you could just imagine, get your head around that, just over 100 odd years ago. All the passengers getting on board this to board a luxury cruise ship, HMS Titanic. All their dreams, aspirations, going to the new world, going to America. Little did they know what lay in store. Bit of history there. Bit sad, isn't it, when you think about it? There you go. SS Nomadic. If you're ever in Belfast, check it out guys. I have to say, Belfast is absolutely booming. Lovely. I'm just looking over there. Not just the birds on it, but the symmetrics of the railings there, or the structure, and also in the rocks there. I don't know if that's picking it up or not. Is that a photograph maybe? Possible. Now maybe your mom walking across there with the dog might make it. I don't know. Right, I'm going to drop this up, make it a shot here. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. Thank you so much for watching. A beautiful afternoon. I want to thank you all so much for your love and support on this channel. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.